It's the race Sentra.
Race Sentra.
Oh, you look familiar.
I know. No, it's my first time. I'm new.
You're new? Okay, novice class.
Yeah.
Is this your car?
It's my spouse's car, yeah.
Well, I said she would let you drive it out here.
It was actually their idea.
Okay. Well, good. Are you ready?
I think so. Passenger ready?
Yep. Oh, yes.
Feel it.
Holla. Tight one.
I did forget to put it in the sport mode.
Sport mode?
I'm not sure that matters much here.
Faster throttle. That's what sport for.
Lost all my power.
Yeah. Can't put it in low gear.
Also, we're getting to the point I don't know the course anymore.
It's pretty simple for here, though.
Yeah, I think it's just like this into a slalom, right?
Yep. Tight slalom, like entrance.
Oh, that's a tight entrance, yeah. Ah, way over there! I'm lost, everybody. It's fine. Gotta cross the line. That's
Still on the
68.
60s.
Hey!
Gate brake 70, we're good.
That was so stupid. I liked every part of that. Next time I'll remember to put it in sport mode. Such as it is. I don't know.